From this video you will learn how to cook chocolate nut caramels. 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cups of glucose, pure corn syrup, 2 cups of cream, 1 cup of butter, 3 or 4 squares of chocolate, 1/2 cups of English walnut meats, 2 teaspoonfuls of vanilla extract. Put the sugar, glucose, _1 cup of the cream and the butter over the fire, stir and cook until the mixture boils vigorously, then gradually add the other cup of cream. Do not allow the mixture to stop boiling while the cream is being added. Cook until the thermometer registers 250 F. Stirring gently. Move the thermometer, to stir beneath it every 4 or 5 minutes. Without a thermometer, boil until when tested by dropping a little in cold water. A hard ball may be formed in the water. Remove from the fire, add the chocolate and nuts and beat until the chocolate is melted. Beat in the vanilla and turn into a biscuit pan, nicely oiled or buttered, to make a sheet 3/4 an inch thick. When nearly cold, turn from the pan and cut into cubes. Happy cooking and bon appétit! Please subscribe for more videos and thank you for watching.